Good morning, students. Today I am explaining you the question given in part 1 of your PDF from chapter 1, chemical reactions and equations. The first question is, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? All of you know magnesium is a reactive metal. When it is exposed to air, it reacts with oxygen. And a layer of magnesium oxide is formed on its surface. This layer of magnesium oxide prevents further reaction of magnesium with oxygen. Therefore, we should clean magnesium ribbon before burning in air. And the second question is, write the balanced equations for the following reactions. And question number A is, hydrogen plus chlorine, hydrogen chloride. All of you know the symbol of hydrogen means hydrogen exists in the form of H2. So you write H2, plus chlorine is a gas and exists in the form of Cl2. So you write Cl2. Then you write the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride. The chemical formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. If you observe the reaction, this is not balanced. In reactant side, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of chlorine is present. Therefore, for balancing this equation, if we multiply hydrogen chloride with 2 in both sides, reactant side and product side, all the atom is equal. So equation is H2 plus Cl2 2HCl. And next one is barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate, barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. And so you write first the formula of barium chloride. Formula of barium chloride is BaCl2 plus you write the formula of aluminium sulfate. You know the valency of aluminium is 3 and sulfate is 2. Therefore, formula is Al2SO4 whole 3 Al2SO4 whole 3. Then you write the formula of barium sulfate, BaSO4, plus you write the formula of aluminium chloride, AlCl3. So first you write all the formula of given compound in reactant side and product side. BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole 3 gives BaSO4 plus AlCl3. If you observe this reaction, this is not balanced. Therefore, we should try to balance. In the reactant side, you see 2 atoms of chlorine, and in product side 3 atoms of chlorine is present. So first we balance chlorine. We multiply 3 means 3 BaCl2 and 2 AlCl3. In this way chlorine atom is balanced, and to balance barium you write 3 BaSO4, and in this way your equation is balanced. 3 BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole 3 gives 3 BaSO4 plus 2 AlCl3. And the next equation is sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So you write the symbol of sodium, Na, plus write the chemical formula of water. This is H2O. Then you write the formula of sodium hydroxide, NaOH plus hydrogen H2. So this is chemical equation, and this equation is unbalanced, or it is also known as skeletal equation. And then we balance this equation. If you observe reactant side 2 atoms of hydrogen and product side 3 atoms of hydrogen is present. So we should balance, multiply hydrogen with 2. अब here 4 atoms of hydrogen is present and 2 atoms of oxygen. Therefore we multiply NaOH by 2. So oxygen and hydrogen is balanced. And for balancing sodium we write 2. अब this equation is balanced. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. Again you see 2Na plus 2H2O, 2NaOH plus H2. And then your next question is write a balanced chemical equation with state symbols for the following reactions. State symbol means the physical state of the substance of reactant and product. The question is For first question, solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. And for this reaction we write chemical equation. Solution of barium chloride means the formula of barium chloride is BaCl2, and for solution you write AQ in bracket plus solution of sodium sulfate you write Na2SO4 aqueous in the reactant side to give insoluble barium sulfate. Insoluble barium sulfate means precipitate of barium sulfate. So BaSO4 and write in bracket small s for solid plus solution of sodium chloride. Formula is NaCl, and for aqueous solution you write AQ, and this equation is BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 aqueous gives BaSO4S plus NaCl aqueous, and then we balance this equation. You see in the reactant side 2 atom of chlorine and 2 atom of sodium is present, and for balancing this we multiply NaCl by 2, and in this way your equation is balanced. BaCl2 aqueous plus Na2SO4 aqueous gives BaSO4 as means solid plus 2 NaCl aqueous. And the second one is sodium hydroxide solution in water react with hydrochloric acid solution in water to produce sodium chloride solution and water. For this equation, for sodium hydroxide we write NaOH. For solution you write AQ plus hydrochloric acid solution, hydrochloric acid, HCl, aqueous solution for AQ to produce sodium chloride. Na, formula of sodium chloride is NaCl, and you write aqueous plus H2O, and the state symbol of water is liquid, so you write small l in bracket. And if you observe this reaction, NaOH aqueous plus HCl aqueous gives NaCl aqueous plus H2O liquid, and this equation is already balanced. So next question I will explain in our